Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing essentials. Enable hosting in your Firebase project and confirm you can edit DNS at your registrar. Once done, go to Firebase Console's hosting panel and choose Add Custom Domain, then type the domain you own. Firebase immediately gives you a verification TXT record. Copy that exact name and value. Do this now because ownership verification is required before any DNS routing. You're not done until Firebase sees the TXT record, so switch to your registrar next. After adding the TXT, add the routing records Firebase recommends. For Apex domains, create the and optional AA records Firebase lists. For www or other subdomains, use the CNAME Firebase provides. Once done, set a low TTL like 300 seconds to speed propagation. Then return to Firebase and click Verify. Firebase will check DNS and begin provisioning an SSL certificate after verification. Make sure to monitor the console status. It reports propagation progress and any record mismatches you must fix. Once Firebase verifies DNS, it will provision TLS and deploy your site to the custom domain. This can take minutes to an hour. When the console shows ready, enable Force HTTPS in hosting to ensure secure connections. Test by visiting the domain and using curl I plus DNS lookups for a /CNAME records. If you hit errors, recheck the exact TXT/a/CNAME values, lower TTL, and repropagate. Clear your local DNS cache and contact your registrar if records won't apply. That single troubleshooting step usually resolves most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.